All right, No Strings runners, the time has come. We have alluded to, I think in some ways we've even actually said that we have an important announcement to make, a really fun collaboration we have coming up with the Run Runners. So we actually officially have all of our information ironed out. We're here tonight to share with you all of that information. If you are new to our channel, we're essentially a Disneyland running group. We host a bi-weekly running meetup at Disneyland. We make bi-weekly trips to the park. We make weekly episodes of all the fun we have in the park.
It's all true.
It's true.
It's all good information.
So we invite you to subscribe, to follow, and to come along with us each week into the park. And more importantly, we invite you to come run with us. With that being said,
Bum-ba-da-ba! Oh, maybe.
this is like a really good example of what our running meetups look like, and our videos for that matter.
True.
It's like a taste. We are so excited to announce you guys that we're coming together with the Run Runners in this, what will be an awesome event.
I think so. Run Disney. For those who don't know, Run Disney said no more with the half marathons and the running events in Anaheim. Everybody's disappointed, but they said, okay guys, they're gonna throw us a bone by doing a virtual half marathon for the Star Wars light side, which is amazing. But virtual half marathon sounds really confusing. All it means is that if you register by February 28th with Run Disney, you could still earn that same medal. All you have to do is run your 13.1 miles any way you want.
In whatever fashion you
In whatever
choose.
fashion. Which is really awesome.
It is.
I think.
Like we thought this is the perfect opportunity to keep Run Disney alive and for all of us to come together in the spirit of what we love about Run Disney and
Yes.
celebrating Disney and celebrating running and the community of both of those things coming together.
We're gonna take this virtual run and we're gonna turn it into a reality. We're gonna try to get as many of you and as many of us together who love running, who love the community, who love Disney, and we're gonna get together and we're gonna do this as a group.
Or maybe those of you that have never run a half marathon, like we invite you, this is the perfect opportunity for those people out there to have a taste of what it feels to accomplish 13.1 miles. So,
Yes. So
let's get to the dates.
let's get to the dates. February 28th, as said before, is the date to register by through Run Disney.
You got it.
But if you don't want to do that, don't do it. Still come run with us.
Yes.
We invite anybody who
Yeah.
wants to do
If
a
you're not-
13.1 mile run.
Yeah.
Just
If you're not hooked
knock
on
it
that medal, that's okay.
True.
Come run.
Next date, March 25th. That is the day it's going to happen. We have a route that I think it's pretty much ironed out. We're going to go try it this weekend.
So we have a really awesome app that we've come upon. We're gonna, like Steve said, we're gonna test the route out this weekend, and more importantly, we're gonna test out the app, because the beauty of that app is that it does give a turn-by-turn guidance of the route. So we want everybody to feel confident in knowing that the route is pre-planned. You're not going to be
Yes.
out there and lost. Because it's not a supported Run Disney event. That's a really important detail to make sure we hit upon. And that Run Disney events have support all along the way in terms of water and people telling you which way to go. So
First aid, recovery.
This app that we're testing out this weekend is going to be a key element in making sure you have the confidence to know where you're going while you're out there. With that being said, you guys, make sure you mark those 2 dates on your calendar. March 25th is going to be the date that we host the actual running event. That's a Sunday. The Run Disney event needs to be completed by March 31st to earn that medal. So March 25th allows for enough time for those of you that need to get some training time in to get that time in. 9 a.m. That's the time that we're going to start.
Yes.
Yes.
Speaking of training,
Yeah.
hey, come run with us. I mean, we're running at the park every other weekend. We meet by the lockers to the left of the main gate at Disneyland right now at 8 a.m. Sunday mornings. You can check Facebook and Instagram, No Strings Running. We post all of our meetup dates and times there. If you follow us, No Strings Running. If you follow Run Runners, RVM, RVNNXRS. It's a weird spelling, but you know what? It's the coolest thing I've ever seen. So if you follow both of us, we're gonna post more details, information, everything you're gonna need.
We'll have all the information and details. We'll continually be posting information and sort of guidance along the way.
Yeah, so you can come run with us, train with us if you need. You'll meet us. You'll meet some of the run runners, and I'm sure you'll meet some people who are gonna want to do this event too. So you're not going out there alone. You'll always be with friends.
I think that's the greatest thing about running in Disney is there's such a strong community, and the enthusiasm that Run Disney brings to running and Disney. People dress up, so we definitely encourage you guys to dress up if that's your thing. If it's not your thing, then great, just come out and run. We don't actually dress up for our running meetups, but in the spirit of the Star Wars half marathon, we encourage that.
We want everybody to feel as comfortable and as welcome
all about
as
fun.
they need to be. Yes.
And accomplishing a goal, you guys. So make sure you come with us each week. Come run with us and get some training in with these bi-weekly running meetups.
I mean, look how fun these look.
Right?
These are all past meetups. So great.
So you guys make sure you subscribe, follow, share this with your friends, because the more people that we have coming together in this community, it just makes it that much stronger and more enjoyable.
Definitely, and I think easier.
And easier, yeah.
I think the more people that come to this event, there's going to be a greater opportunity to run with people who are your pace.
Agreed.
So,
right.
I mean, we're going to have 6-minute milers, and I'm sure we're going to have 14-minute milers and everything in between. So the more people, the more opportunity there is to make a running partner.
So bring your friend. Make sure you share this with your friend, like this video, subscribe to our channel so you can follow in all of our weekly fun.
And get excited, because we are super excited to be
excited.
hosting this. And thanks to the Rum Runners for...
Yes, thank you, Rum Runners.
Yes.
We're so excited to be walking this road, running this road with you guys. So come run with us, guys.